I'm going to start off by adding lip balm because chapped lips is it's not a good look. Moving on to the brows, I am using a brow pencil to fill in the inner half of my brows. I want to go for a more soft brow look, so I'm not that concentrated in making it perfect and defined. To be fair, my main thing is just to make it look somewhat similar to each other. Using Anastasia dip brow pomade on the outer half of my eyebrows, just because my brow pencil was just not pigmented enough. It just felt like I was rubbing the hairs out of my brows. Then going in with Maybelline's Brow Drama, I am going to brush my hairs in place. As you saw from the beginning, a lot of my eyebrow hairs just like to face down. Why? I wish I knew. So I need this just for them to stay in place and just to make my eyebrows just look a little bit more fuller. As for my eyes, I am going in with a dark purple brownish shade, and I'm just going to put it on the outer lower corner of my eyes, just making my eyes appear a little bit more wider. Since we have done the brows and we're going to do the lips, I don't want my eyes just to be washed out of this whole look. Going in with my favorite under eye concealer, I'm just applying a small amount under my eyes to make it seem like I actually had some sleep. I added a little bit on discolorated areas as well. This is a lazy person's tutorial, so I am blending it in with my finger, but if I was a little bit less lazy, I would actually go in with a beauty blender for a better finish. Next, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty's powdered foundation just to even out my skin tone and just to cover some redness on my cheeks, using quite a fluffy brush just for a lighter coverage and just to have a nice natural finish. To add some color back into my face, I'm going to be using my favorite drugstore bronzer to add some contour. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of a pink highlight since the powder foundation makes this look very matte. Using a Rimmel London lip liner in a shade that's close to my lip color, I'm going to fill it in and then the look is complete. A simple, quick and natural everyday look.